Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrency on Kraken. Buying cryptocurrency on Kraken is simple, and once your account is set up and funded, depending on your region, you can either buy directly using a card or use deposited crypto funds to trade. And since options vary, especially in places, so I'll show you the method below. First, open to your Kraken app and make sure to log into your app if you already have not so. And over here what you can do is you can go to the portfolio on the bottom. Under this portfolio, you can tap on the buy crypto there, and this is the fastest and easiest option. And make sure to verify your KYC as well and choose what you want to buy. Select the cryptocurrency, example Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, enter the amount you want to spend. And select the payment method, choose debit or credit card, account balance if you already deposited funds, and in some countries card payment may not work. And after that, check your fees and total amount and confirm it, and your crypto will appear instantly in your account. And that is it. This is how you can buy cryptocurrency on Kraken. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.